want to start reacting to people's video, maybe you just open your YouTube account, you just open your Facebook account or your TikTok account, and you want to start reacting to people's video. It's no longer a news that if you take people's video, you might get copyright on that video. So it's better for you to react on those videos. So now, how do you react to people's video? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to react to any Facebook video at all, any YouTube video, or any TikTok video. So if this video is for you, make sure you watch this video to the end. And I'm also going to teach you how to edit it right in this video. So if you are watching my video for the first time, I want to welcome you to this channel. My name is Opeyemi. Welcome, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. That is the little way you can encourage me of doing better next time. So let's get started. Okay, welcome back, guys. For you to react to any video, you will need two phones. You will have one recording yourself, then the other one you will be using it to watch the video. Let's say this is one of my phone now. This is one I put on my tripod stand. This is one taking my record of me watching that particular video. Let's say I have one phone with me here recording myself, then I have the phone that original video is on, is playing on, then I have it here. I'll be watching the video while I have the other phone recording myself. The reason why I said it is because you need the time duration. You can't record 30 seconds video of reaction and you want to match it with that particular video of the person you want to react to. Yes, you will need the seconds. That is why you need to watch that video to the end. Let's say the video is 2 minutes. You have to do your reaction videos in 2 minutes. So you have to play the video, that's a particular video you want to react to, play it, and also have the phone recording yourself so as to get the same time duration. So by the time you are done recording yourself and also reacting to the video, you will have the same time duration to do that. So behind my camera, I've reacted to a video just because I don't have 3 phones. I have 2 phones, one recording myself now and one on my hand. Then you'll be listening to that person's video, that particular video you want to react to, so as to get the same time duration. I think I made myself clear. So after that, let's head on to CapCut. That is where we'll be merging the 2 videos together. CapCut app, then click on new project, import that original video, that person's video you want to react to. And I have a video here. For example, this is my original video. Let's say you bring in the person's original video here, then click on add. This is the person's original video, then after then you bring your reaction video, the video of you reacting to the video. Bring it in by clicking on overlay, click on add overlay, then import that particular video you reacted to it. Import it. Here I have a video that I've reacted to already. This is me reacting to this video. As you can see here, this is me reacting to the video. Then click on add. After clicking on add, make sure you use your 2 fingers to draw the reaction video closer to yourself. Draw it closer to yourself. Then put it at the top part of the screen. You can also put it at the down part of the screen. Anyhow you want it, just make sure you place it there. Then let's play the videos together. If you play the videos together, you will notice that the 2 sounds are playing at the same time, which we don't want. So what you have to do is to make sure you click on the reaction video, the video that I added as overlay. Click on the reaction video. I click on it. Now we are going to reduce the volume. Click on volume, then reduce the volume, then click on this mark icon. Yes, so if I should increase my volume now, you see that it is just one video that is playing here. The second one is not playing at all. Can you see? This particular video, my reaction video, is not playing at all. Let me reduce the volume because of this video. So as you can see, this is my video. I'm reacting to this particular video. Can you see me at one corner there? This my reaction video is short, but you can make your own longer. I made it short just to show you an example. Can you see me reacting to this video? The sweetest part of it is for you to use 2 phones so as to get a better result. So if eventually you have excess video here, you can just delete it by clicking on the video. Click on the video, then click on split. Click on the video you want to delete, then click on delete. Can you see it is deleted? So go to the end screen, then remove the watermark, click on this CapCut watermark and remove it. So can you see now we are done with our video? So if you want to export your video, just click on this thing at the top of your screen, then export your video. Just a simple way on how you can shoot your reaction video and also edit it. So if this video is helpful, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Follow me for more tips, and I would love to see you in my next video.